Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Amanjit. Our chapter Matter and its nature. In previous video, you learned about matter, energy, states of matter, solid, liquid, gases, some more things. Okay, let us learn about something atoms and molecules. Okay, today we will learn about atoms and molecules. Okay. Firstly, we learnt about molecules. All matter made up of small particle. In previous video, you learnt about the definition of matter. I repeat, we see all living and non-living things around us take space and have weight are called matter. All matters are made up of small particles. We know that all matters are made up of small particles. Suppose chair have small particles, then they made a chair. Okay, so all matter made up of small particles, that is called a molecules. That is called a molecules. We all know that all substances are present in one of the three forms. Okay, solid, liquid and gases. State of matter is 3, that is solid, liquid and gases. Because of arrangement of molecules, so solid closely packed. In solid, suppose solid, their molecules are closely packed. Okay, in solid molecules are closely packed, and there is a kind of force, okay, that the molecules together. That's why solids are hard and they have some shape as well as weight. Okay, because solids have molecules are closely packed, but in liquid they are not closely packed. Okay, not closely packed, as the force which holds the molecule is not strong as like solid. Okay, liquid does not have shape. They have shape of the container in which kept they are kept. Liquid, okay, have weight. Liquid have also weight. Okay, now coming to gas, in which molecules are loosely packed. Okay, gases, in which molecules are loosely packed, there have no any force to hold the gases. Okay, there have no any force to hold the gases. You know that gases do not have any shape, but have weight. Okay, but gases have a weight, so they all are made up of molecules. All they are made up of molecules. In solid, molecules are closely packed. Okay, liquid, they are not closely packed as like solid. Gases, they are fully loosely packed in the gases. Okay, this is the concept of molecules. Now coming to the atoms. Atom make from a Greek word, that is atomos, which means individual. Atom means individual. Individual means only one. Okay, atoms are individual. Okay, molecules are made up of solid are made up of molecules, and molecules are made up of still smaller part, that is called the atom. That is called the atom. Molecules are made up of smaller parts, that is called the atom. Atom is individual, okay, which do not generally exist independently. Okay, suppose hydrogen is a atom. Okay, carbon is also a atom, nitrogen is also a atom. These all elements are atoms. Okay, but molecules, 2 hydrogen make a molecule of elements. Okay, 2 atoms make a molecule of elements. Okay, next is our molecule of compounds. Suppose water, H2O, water's formula H2O, in which oxygen is 1 and hydrogen are 2. So this is the molecule of compounds. They all are made up of atoms. Atoms. Okay, this is the concept of atoms and molecules. Okay, molecules are smaller particles. Okay, all matter made up of small particles, that is called molecules. Okay, and molecules are made up of still smaller particles, that is called the atoms. Okay, this is the concept of our atoms and molecules. Got it? Our next question is, what are atoms made up of? Now, atoms are still smaller particles. Okay, atoms are still smaller particles which the atom itself is made of. That is electrons, protons and neutrons. Atoms अगो भी 3 parts which divide होंदा है. Molecules सब पहले मैटर तो बाद मॉलिक्यूल्स तो छोटा एटम्स अगे 3 parts divide होंदा है. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स. अगेन आई रिपीट, electrons, protons and neutrons. That is called a fundamental or subatomic particles. That is called a fundamental or subatomic particles. Okay, next our is charge. Next topic is charge. It is an electrical property of some fundamental particles. Okay, charge is a electrical property. Okay, charge is a electrical property of some fundamental particles. ਅਸੀਂ ਘਰੇ ਵੀ normally ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਆ ਇੰਨੇ charge ਦਾ ਹੈ. That is all are electrical properties. They have two positive and negatives. They have two signs, positive and negatives. Okay, two signs, positive and negative. Okay, if two particles of similar charge, suppose both are positive and positive. Okay, so they repel each other. Repel मतलब दूर जाना एक दूसरे तो. Repel मतलब दूर होना एक दूसरे तो. If their charges are same, अगर positive sign है तो क्या होंगे? Repel होंगे. अगर negative sign है, they also repel. Repel means दूर होना. Okay, next is our attract. Attract mean both two particles of opposite sign. Opposite sign मतलब one is positive and other is negative. So they attract each other. Attract mean मिलना एक दूसरे ना. Attract mean मिलना. Okay, both two particles of opposite charge, they attract. If both are same, so they repel. Same repel, different attract. Okay, got this point? Atoms are divided in 3 parts: electron, proton and neutrons. Electron, proton and neutron. So the electrical charge of the electron and proton. Electrical charge of proton and neutron are equal in magnitude. But opposite in nature. मीनस जो इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्ज है प्रोटॉन ते न्यूट्रॉन्स का उन्होंने की होएगा इक्वल मैग्नीट्यूड होएगा. मैग्नीट्यूड मीनस जो उन्होंने देखने में जो लुकिंग होएगी वो क्या होएगी? सेम इक्वल होएगी. बट जो उन्होंने नेचर दैट इज ऑपोजिट. बट ऑपोजिट इन nature. Okay, next is an electron. Electron is very light particle. Electron is very light particle. Okay, but proton is heavy particle. Proton is heavy particle. Electron light and proton heavy particle. So electron carry negative charge. Negative electrical charge. Electron carrying negatively electrical. Proton heavy, so they carry positive electrical charge. Electron light, proton heavy. Electron carrying negative charge, proton carrying positive charge. Got this point? And one more, that is neutron. Neutron. Okay. Neutron is heavy as like proton. Okay. Neutron is heavy as like, but they carry no electrical charge. They carry no electrical charge. Okay, got this point? Electron light, neutron heavy, proton heavy. Electron carrying negative charge, neutron carrying no any charge, and proton carrying positive charge. Okay, suppose this is an atom. This is an atom. At the center of the atom, this is the atom. At the center of the atom, this is a nucleus. This is called a nucleus. Okay. In nucleus, there have proton and neutron. Okay. Proton and neutrons. In the middle part of the atom, that is called a nucleus. And in nucleus, there are two proton and neutrons. Okay, this is the center of the atom. Okay, but in the exceptional case, the nucleus of hydrogen. In the exceptional case, nucleus of hydrogen, which has only one proton. We know that hydrogen atomic number 1, electronic configuration also 1. So their proton is only 1 and they have no any neutron. There have no any neutron. So their atom in middle 1 proton present and this is a electron. Okay, this is a electron. Okay, because one electronic configuration, so they have one electron. This is an atom of hydrogen. Okay, next is one more. This is the atom of carbon. Okay, carbon. Carbon's atomic number 6. Their electronic configuration 2 and 4. Electronic configuration 2 and 4. There have 6 proton and 6 neutron. 6 proton and 6 proton and 6 neutron in the nucleus. And 6 electrons revolve around the nucleus. 6 electrons revolve around the nucleus. Got this point? Again I repeat, carbon's atomic number 6. Their electronic configuration 2 and 4. They have 6 proton and 6 neutron. Okay. So the electrons present in the shell. Electron present in the shell. Proton and neutron present in the nucleus. Okay. 6 proton and 6 neutron present in the nucleus. And 2 electron present in first shell. And 4 electrons present in L shell. Okay. But hydrogen is a exceptional case. Exceptional means अलग, सब नालों अलग case जो सिर्फ एक ही है. Okay. Hydrogen is a exceptional case. There have nucleus have only one proton. Okay. Nucleus have one proton. There have no any neutron in the nucleus. Okay. And one electron present in a K shell. Got this point? Now our next question is that एटम्स ते भी कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्ज होएगा या नहीं. सपोज 6 proton present in the nucleus. 6 proton present in the nucleus. So protons charge is positive. Protons charge is positive and 6 electron present in the shell. Okay, and electron have negative charge. Electron have negative charge and neutron carry no any charge. So positive and negative charge. So there the atoms have no net electrical charge. Okay, atom has no net electrical charge on it. So atom is electrically neutral. That means atom ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਕੋਈ भी charge नहीं ਹੁੰਦਾ. Okay, your chapter has completed. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to make the notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.